You stream large volumes of endpoint data from multiple vendor applications. And you notice that vendor applications don't share the same naming conventions. Take the name of the manufacturer Dell Technologies Inc. Depending on the data source, you get Dell EMC, Dell, or Dell Incorporated. To maintain data hygiene, you want the same thing to have the same name regardless of the data source. You want to create 3 string rules to change Dell, Dell EMC, and Dell Inc. to Dell Technologies Inc. To do this, you create normalization rules. First, you create the normalization, which will act as a container for the rules that you create. Then, you add the rules. You can also use regex and jinja to match the names that you want to change. You've created the normalization and the normalization rules. To run the normalization rules, you navigate to the manufacturer field in the data model. You select the normalization that contains the rules you want to run and you save your changes. The normalization rules are applied to the records that were added. And each time endpoint data is streamed in by integrations, or when records are added manually or imported, the normalization rules are automatically applied, ensuring that you always have clean, consistent data. Let's check that the normalization rules were applied to the records. You can add a filter to verify that the normalization changed all of the names.